The Nifty closed below the 5,550 mark, while the Sensex shed over 300 points today. For the week, the Nifty was down 0.4%. The Sensex lost about 1%. Aisha Faridi joins us with all the trading action. Aisha.
Well, a quietish week on a net basis, so the Nifty lost just about 0.3%, but the massive chunk of news flow and earnings reaction really came in today with Infosys coming out with disappointing set of earnings. So a 20% fall on Infi that dragged down the IT index, which on a weekly basis closed in with losses of almost 10%, and Infosys knocked off a good 600 points as well. So that indeed has been the biggest eyesore this week. The Nifty as well got quite close to testing that 5,500 mark, which we just managed to actually save in today's trading session, though like I said, on a weekly basis we've lost about 0.3%. Banks, they gained about 3%. The Nifty Junior held out with 1.5% gain. FMCG, autos, realties all gained, and IT index lost about almost 10%. Ditto was the case with metals too. So predictably then, the biggest losers this week, they include the likes of JSPL and Infi really taking it on the chin. Ranbaxy, ONGC and M&M were other losers. On the flip side, good gains coming in for Lupin, Cipla, JP Associates, DLF. Tata Motors held out on account of JLR's performance. Ambuja Cement, ICICI Bank, Reliance Infra, HDFC Bank as well as Ultratech Cement were your other gainers. Come Monday morning, and I think we will be back to tracking Infi and whether or not the selling is actually done on that one and what effect it has on the market. Pick it up again on Monday morning. For now, it's back to you in the studio.